friends, today we are having a toy and it is another toy and it's a clay and it says Messiah and Dea create with me shape, model and mold 70 pieces and modeling dough kit. Let's open it. Then take all of them out. Now here's all of the clay set. I'll teach you. This is a spiky roller, but it got squares on it. And this is another roller, but it got some three stripes on it. And this is the normal roller to roll. These three needs to roll the potato. Blue mold with a frog mold and a green clay with a dog mold. And we got a red dough with some bear mold and a yellow clay with a rabbit mold. We got some dots on this block, some 4 dots on this block, lines on this box, a coin on this box, and a triangle on this block. This is one more thing. It is a roller to make the spikes. That begin to. Let's do it. Clay. So now we're going to, here's the yellow clay. And now to find for the red clay. And now time for the last one, green. And now let's do, I'll make something with a square. Wow, we just need this. Now let's do yellow, 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 the yellow. Now let's keep going on. More. Okay, now we got all 4. Let's make some models. Wow, we made a bear. Now let's try the bunny. It's a bunny. It is a bunny. Right there. And now let's do the doggy. Should be like this. And now, ta-da! It's a very good clay. And now this. Now we're going to match each color. Red for red, blue for blue. We roll the blue. Now let's make something with the blue. Let's make some designs. We got that stripe. And now let's put them on. This is the survivorist one. And the last. This is the bunny. If there's nothing, we can just roll it with red. Let's make something. I'll make a face. My face. There we go. Oh, let me make my face with the red. Oh, just cut it. And now let me make a smiley face. There we go. Now let me make my hair with red. So that. Okay. Let's take everything. Let's make something like this or that down here. It's gonna be me. It's going to be a stick man. Making a stick man. So bye for now. You can even keep playing and playing, but let's name them again. The roller, the square roller, and red clay, blue clay, green clay, and yellow clay, and a red coin block, and a red stripy block, and a blue triangle block, a green 4 dotted block, and a 9 square yellow dotted block. The 3 striped roller, and 1 more painted left. Bye kids!